Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Toy Story on the clarinet. First, ensure you have a comfortable posture, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Form a proper embouchure by gently wrapping your lips around the mouthpiece, creating a seal. This helps produce a clear, consistent sound. We will begin by learning the opening notes of the main theme, focusing on a smooth, connected sound. Let's dive into the basic melody. For the note G, use your left hand's first 3 fingers covering the top 3 holes. Next, for a lift your third finger while keeping the first 2 down. Practice transitioning smoothly between these notes. A common opening phrase might involve G, A, B, A, G, which uses just a few fingers. Focus on even airflow for a beautiful, sustained sound. Now, let's add rhythm and expression to your playing. It is crucial to listen to the original Toy Story theme sung multiple times to truly grasp its unique rhythm and phrasing. Practice with a metronome set to a slow tempo, gradually increasing the speed as you become more comfortable. Experiment with dynamics, playing some parts with more volume and others with a gentle, soft touch, bringing the music to life. Consistent practice is key to mastering any piece. Aim for short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day, rather than one long, infrequent session. If you encounter a difficult section, break it down into smaller 2- or 3-note phrases and practice them individually. Recording yourself can provide valuable insight, helping you hear what needs improvement and celebrate your progress. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.